Hi everyone, welcome to Keeprix channel. Ever watched something amazing on Hulu and thought, I wish I could save this for later? Maybe you're traveling, have limited internet, or just want to keep your favorite episodes offline. Well, you're not alone. This is a common request, and we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to use Keeprix Video Downloader to download Hulu videos quickly, easily, and in high quality, so you can enjoy your favorite content anytime, anywhere. Let's jump right in and show you how it's done. After installing the Keeprix Video Downloader, please launch the program on your computer. Click on the Video Downloader option. From here, you can paste the Hulu video address URL you want to download in the address bar to download the video. If you want to download the video via built-in browser, you can choose the Hulu option directly. This will redirect you to Hulu's built-in browser. Please follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. Your account login is only used to retrieve the correct video information, and we fully guarantee the privacy and security of your data. Once you're logged in, you can either enter video keywords in the search bar or paste the video link directly into the address bar to find the video you want to download. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a seamless experience. Navigate to the video playback or details page and click the download icon. Then, a download settings pop-up will appear. Here, you can configure the resolution, audio, subtitle type, and output path settings. Batch selection is available for all videos across all seasons. Once you've completed all the settings, simply click the download button to save the Hulu videos as local files on your computer. Once clicked, the selected video will be automatically added to your download queue. On the interface, you can click the pause, re-download, or cancel buttons to control the download tasks. The downloading process may take a few seconds, so please be patient and ensure your internet connection remains stable. After the download is completed, you can find your downloaded content under the Completed tab for easy offline viewing. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. We've got more helpful content coming your way. Catch you in the next one.